Now it's time to form Y with Play-Doh. Are you ready? Let's go. Let's make a bowl first from our yellow Play-Doh. Yellow. Okay, and then we need to roll it. Please roll. Okay. Okay. So let's start. We're gonna make a line down and we're gonna round our Play-Doh and we go back up like this. Okay? And then we take the other part. Actually, I made it too long, but it's okay. And then we go down and we make a hook. Okay? One more time. One more time. Let's start from the beginning. Make a bowl. Roll the bowl. Roll it. Okay, here we go. We make a line down and we turn, we round it and we go back up. Okay? And then take the other part. We attach it to the top part. And we go down and hook. This is how we write Y. This is how we write Y. Down, round, back up, down with a hook. Down, round, back up, down with a hook. Okay, well done. Try to do it. Okay, now we are going to trace letter sound Y in the sand train. Okay, let's start. We start from the top, we go down, we round up, down with the tail. One more time, let's try. Start from here. Go all the way, little bit down, and turn around, go back up, down with the tail. What sound is this? Y. Well done, Pre-FS. See you next week with a new sound.